Hello guys, today it is going to be a different kind of video. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Gantari if you're new here, and today I'm going to share with you my hacks and what I do when I want to look better on the days when I don't wear any makeup. Wash and style my hair. So on the days when I know that I need to go out and I'm not gonna wear any makeup at all, I make sure I style and wash my hair. It just makes me feel more confident and look better. And as always guys, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I create a lot of motherhood content. I have 9-month-old son, oh my god, time flies. And then I do some fun DIYs and all of that good stuff. Also, I'm a makeup artist, so I do a lot of beauty tips for you on here and my Instagram account, which I'm gonna link it down below in the description. Tinting my eyebrows and eyelashes. I am doing this once a week, sometimes twice a week, not every day obviously. And all the products that I'm using to tint my eyebrows with, I am going to link down below, so make sure you check that out. And as you can see, I'm just mixing the tint over here. I'm doing 2 separate piles, so in one paste I'm going to mix just a regular black and it's going to go onto my eyelashes, and for my eyebrows, I'm actually using a light brown and a medium brown mixture. I keep it on for 10 minutes and then I wash everything off. If you don't really know how to tint your eyebrows and you're not really confident, maybe ask your friends to do it for you at the first time, and then when you feel more confident, then try it yourself. Use the Vaseline around the eyebrow if you think that you're going to do a lot of mistakes. And then when you tint your eyelashes, make sure that the paint are not going into your eye, because if it gets into your eye, it is going to be really painful and you really don't want to experience that. As you can see here, I am painting a freckles on my face and I'm using the same eyebrow tint as I used for my eyebrows, and I just love the look of the fake freckles and I think like I look cute. I'm not sure how it actually is, but I do it anyway because I love the look. Last step of my eyebrow routine, when I'm not wearing any makeup, I just shape them using the soap. My soap is from Lidl and it's so cheap, and obviously this is like the cheapest product that you can find for your eyebrows, and it works so well as well. They look 100% better when I shape them, and they stay in the place pretty much the whole day. last step is skincare, and I love my skincare routine. It's like a ritual to me. It just makes me feel more confident, and my skin looks so much better. Two of my favorite products are vitamin C and collagen, so these two I make sure I use them every day. If you want me to, I can definitely make a full-length video of my skincare routine. What products do I use? I have oily, acne-prone skin, and I fight with acne for like 4 years. Now my skin is so much better, and I'm really, really happy. This vitamin C cream from Pixie is so good. It kind of reduced my redness that I have around my nose area, as you can see here, and also it hydrates my skin, and I feel like my skin appears healthier when I use this cream. I don't know what it is about it, but it just looks better. Sometimes I even use a fake tan just after my skincare routine, just to give that bronzy look and the glow back to my skin, and the color, of course, because I'm so white as paper. And that's it, you guys. I hope you liked this video, and thank you for watching and coming back to my channel. If you are new here, again, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and I see you in my next one. Bye.